We recently held roundtable events in Sandton, Pretoria and Cape Town, where Sean Stockett and myself, Sam Hooley, as portfolio managers of the Momentum Small and Mid Cap Fund and the Momentum Value Fund respectively, shared our views on markets, on the way 2014 has unfolded, and our views on the remaining stocks that we have in our portfolio. So in summary, the first thing that we really spent a lot of time on is just reminding everyone present why value investing works in the long run. The empirical evidence supporting value investing is very strong. It does work, but while it works in the long run, it doesn't always work. And clearly both these funds we manage with value investing principles. Value investing is also risky in the sense that often the cheapest stocks come with bad news. We hardly ever get undervalued shares that we believe to be mispriced unless there's some element of controversy or some bad news surrounded by that. And we spent some time on that. We also talked about many of our winners that our process has delivered. We spoke about stocks like Telkom, which continues to rise and has been a big winner for us, Pallinghurst, Sibanye Gold. We went a little bit back in our history where we spoke about stocks we've held in the past, stocks like Old Mutual, Anglo American and SAPI, where the same process yielded incredible results for investors who were willing to embrace controversy and were willing to accept that these stocks were mispriced, and in time, over time, the stocks will reach fair value. Of course, the stock that we spent most time on was African Bank, which really recently went to zero as a result of the curatorship announcement. We took investors through our investment thesis, a thesis that, while elaborate and clear and we spent a lot of time on, hasn't really benefited investors because the stock itself has gone to zero. We emphasized that while the investment has gone to zero, the business has not. African Bank remains a going concern. It remains a strong business. There is value there, and as shareholders we retain the right to participate in whatever solution the curator comes up with. We're not sure how this will unfold, but we accept that sometimes we do the work and we don't get the right outcome. The underlying process of value investing works. We then spend some time on markets in general, and the key point there is that central banks have been incredibly accommodating all over the world. This has had a really significant impact in South Africa, where the bulk of the market's very overvalued and very small portion of the market's undervalued, which is precisely why our funds have been so concentrated in stocks that we feel are undervalued, but some of them have worked and others haven't. So we think that this will unfold very badly generally, but not necessarily for us, because the funds themselves continue to be well positioned in stocks that are definitely cheap. Our final point was that both our funds, the Momentum Small and Mid Cap Fund and the Momentum Value Fund, is significantly undervalued relative to the broader market. It's trading on a price to book of just over 1. The PE ratio of the fund is just over 10 on a normalized basis, and we think that our stocks are very, very, very well positioned relative to the market and offer very compelling value. So while African Bank hasn't worked out for us, we think the future, but it bodes well for the future in terms of the rest of the portfolio, which I think is well positioned.